1954 MGTF. Price, 19,750. Location, San Diego. The 1954 MGTF is a timeless British roadster that perfectly captures the spirit of classic open-top driving. With its elegant black exterior and beautifully contrasted cream and black interior, this car delivers a vintage aesthetic that never goes out of style. From the moment you see its iconic grille and flowing fenders, it's clear that this is more than just a car. It's a piece of automotive history. The driving experience of the MGTF is pure and engaging, offering a connection to the road that modern vehicles simply can't replicate. Equipped with a lively inline 4-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it provides a hands-on, authentic feel behind the wheel. The dual SU carburetors enhance performance, giving the engine a responsive and smooth character that makes every drive enjoyable. The interior reflects classic craftsmanship with its Jaeger gauges and signature banjo-style steering wheel. Every detail, from the dashboard layout to the simple yet elegant finishes, reminds you of an era when driving was all about passion and precision. It's a cockpit designed for enthusiasts who appreciate the beauty of analog engineering. What truly sets this MGTF apart is its documented history. With maintenance receipts spanning from 1975 to 2016, this car tells a story of careful ownership and consistent care. This level of documentation adds significant value and confidence, showing that the car has been preserved with attention and respect over decades. Additional features like chrome bumpers with overriders, hood louvers, a rear-mounted full-size spare tire, and MG-branded hubcaps complete its classic appeal. Whether you're a collector or simply someone who appreciates vintage cars, this MGTF offers a rare opportunity to own a well-maintained and stylish piece of motoring heritage.